We're building a Faraday case, not to show off, not to cosplay, but because sometimes the best way to protect a system is to disconnect it completely. This build uses a Pelican 1520. Solid construction, good dimensions, and easy to mod without wasting space. For the shielding, we're using Faraday tape, specifically double conductive cloth tape with conductive adhesive backing, designed for electromagnetic interference shielding and grounding. A 2-inch roll covers the large surfaces, and I have a 1-inch roll that handles the tighter corners and seams. Before anything goes in, we wipe the inside down with isopropyl alcohol. No paint, no primer, just raw plastic, cleaned and ready to bond. This isn't a case built for style. We're not polishing edges or chasing a showroom finish. We're skipping exterior prep because this isn't a fashion piece. It's a tool, built to work, not to impress. That said, we're still adding a little flavor. Function comes first, but there's no reason a solid build can't look the part too. Builds like this get written off as prepper tech or future dystopia gear, but the truth is, they already have everyday value. I'll give you 3 examples. 1. I carry an offline keywig system, a full reference archive with no cloud dependency. This case keeps it safe, isolated, and intact. Number 2. I work around high voltage substations and switch yards. In those environments, electromagnetic interference isn't rare, it's routine. And number 3, tools like the Panagachi, software-defined radio modules, or other various network testing boards need transport without ambient traffic. This case gives me physical control over exposure. So no, it's not overkill, it's just smart. For this demo, we use a constant Bluetooth flood attack, sent from a Flipper Zero targeting my phone. Outside the case, the attack hits in real time. Constant pings, non-stop traffic. Then I place the flipper inside the Faraday case, still running, still transmitting. But the signal never escapes. My phone stops getting hit the moment the lid closes. This isn't about blocking the phone, it's about containing the emitter. And that's the whole point. A controlled, shielded environment that shuts down signal leaks, in or out. This is a controlled shield, and while it's just the first layer, the goal is clear. Create a mobile environment where data stays isolated, controlled, and protected by design. It's not complex, it's not expensive, but it works. And in a world that's always on, sometimes the smartest move is off.